Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to another Scripture Stamp Club reveal. This one is for the month of August in 2025. I'm so excited about this one. It's absolutely beautiful, and we kind of did a little throwback to the way we've done some stamps in our original club before, kind of similar to what we've put out. If you don't know, we have two clubs. We have our original club and then our scripture club. We pulled in some of our favorites from there and turned it into a scripture themed version and edited it a bit. I think you'll see what I'm talking about when I show it to you. But first off, are you a member of the stamp club? Why not? You want to get 15% off of most of your purchases in our store? You can do so by joining our stamp club. You get a new, never before seen stamp set mailed to your door every month. You don't pay shipping and you get them at a discounted price. And then as a club member, you get all the products in our store, 99% of our products in our store at 15% off. There's some items we can't discount, but for most of them we can. So if you'd like to sign up, that information is in the description below. Now, if you're not a club member and after you see this you want it, we do have some extra, and you can always purchase those at the regular price. And I will be using this one tonight in my live show. I'm excited that the 21st fell on a Thursday, which means I get to play with it tonight. Okay, enough chatter. Let me show you. It's so cute. So this one is called Truckload of Blessings. Okay, look at this truck. Are you in love with this? I already am. And let me tell you why you're going to love it. Okay, let me show you the size of it. This is my 6-inch ruler, and look how large we were able to get that. This guy is about, if I turn my ruler around the correct way, here we go. He is about 4 1/4 long. And I did that on purpose because I wanted you to have a big old truck you could put a lot of stuff in, okay? In the stamp set, we give you several things. We give you a tree, a Christmas tree, some pumpkins with a little buffalo check in those, and then look at these gifts. You can pile these gifts in the back. The sentiments we give you are every good and perfect gift is from above, and you will harvest what you plant. Isn't this pretty? Now, I want to show you. See this little bow right here? I thought this was so cute to be able to put on the top of the truck. Like if you were going to give a vehicle for Christmas, wouldn't that be a cute card to give somebody and have the little bow there? But you can use this bow in different places too, and I'll show you that. These little triangle pieces, this one, and this one, those are pennants, little pennants. So you can stamp them on the truck like they're hanging on the truck, and you can use the bow for that if you'd like. Or this one is a little pennant that says joy, and you can stamp it right across the door or the front or the back. And we did these rails in this dark color so that if you want to stamp, maybe you want to stamp the pumpkins and stamp the truck on top, the rails will go over your pumpkins so you don't have to fussy cut, right? Over your presents and over your truck. You also have a little wreath right here, and there's another tiny little bow if you want to like do a little string bow for your pennants, okay? Now, that wreath is designed so it'll fit in the door as well. Let me show you the samples. Now, Shannon has made 2 samples for you, but the reason there's only 2 is because I'm gonna also use it tonight in my live show, so come check that out. So here's Shannon's first sample, and it is a green truck. Are you surprised? You knew Shannon was gonna do a green one because this is what she would wanna drive. Full of pumpkins, and it says you will harvest what you plant. I love that one so much, so that's her first sample. And her second is a tag, which I think is so cute. Look at this. She did this and put a Christmas tree in the back of her truck. She stamped the truck on some buffalo check and stuck that down. And then she put a little bit of buffalo check on the back and a to and from. This tag she used, if you're interested, is from our stamp set that is Tall Tag Builder. So that's how she got the longer tag shape. But I love her little samples. I thought they were super cute. And then tonight, I'll be using it in my video, but also on our product page, when you click on our website to find this stamp set, on the same page you find this, you'll find this image, and this is where Sylvia lays them out so you can see different ways to lay them out. And I want to show you something. Do you see how this tree goes backwards? You have to mirror stamp it to make that happen, but we did size it so that you could mirror stamp it and it would go the other way as well. So there you go. I think it is super cute. See the little pennant and the little wreath? So adorable. All right, guys, that is it for this month. Truckload of Blessings. Let's turn it the right way. I hope you enjoy that as much as we do. Remember, if you make a project using the stamp set and you post it to our customer gallery, you're entered to win a $50 gift card. And you might be last month's winner, so you want to be sure to check the description of this video below to see if you won. Thanks so much for being a part of our club, and until next time, bye now.